In this video, we'll look at leaky relu. What this function would do is, instead of converting all the negative values to 0, it will convert them to a smaller non-zero value. Sorry, smaller value is negative, but it's non-zero. So here, if we let's say if we were to use relu, let's look at the output first with just relu. And relu would not have this alpha parameter. So the output, we can see that the 3 and -3 and -4 are converted to zeros. Now if we use the leaky relu and if we set the alpha to, let's say, 0.1, then what will happen is instead of -4 we would get a value that is multiplied by this particular 0.1 alpha. So we would get -0.4 -0.3 instead of zeros, and then the rest of the values stay as is. So one of the advantages of using leaky relu is that we still keep non-zero values rather than converting them to zeros, and so that can help prevent neurons from dying out. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.